Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to change language on FoodPanda account using the FoodPanda application on your mobile device. First of all, open up FoodPanda app on your device and log into your account like you normally do. Now, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner, and from your account page, tap the gear button at the top right corner. You will see a language option popping up at the top. Simply tap on it and then choose from the available language options. Select the language you want to change to for your display and then tap on apply. Right after you tap on apply, this will change your display language on the FoodPanda app. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.